Robertson. I'm the discipleship pastor at Christian Life Church, located in Murfreesboro, Tennessee, in the United States. And just finished my fourth treatment here at Wellspring Clinic in Vancouver. And I just feel blessed. I'm thankful to be immersed in an environment for a couple of weeks that I feel is healthy and positive for my life, considering I've been contending with this ongoing lifelong battle with RP, or retinitis pigmentosa. If you're watching this video, perhaps you are contending with that as well, or a loved one. And it's just been great to be in a place that is positive and uplifting, where kind of the world, the global community has this similar challenges converging here in Vancouver at Wellspring. You know, I sit next to people who share my challenges and my journey and listen to their stories, and they listen to mine, and you know, we mutually encourage one another. And one of the best things is we get to just watch each other improve. I mean, right before our very eyes, through the treatment that Dr. Yu is giving us, we're seeing people get better. It's incredible. And
You have been here 4 times.
yes, sir.
You have witnessed so many patients getting better.
We've seen it. It's just an encouragement to see people getting better.
Yeah.
You know, when all our entire lives at the optometrist or the ophthalmologist, they've said, "I'm sorry, sir," or "I'm sorry, ma'am, there's nothing that we can do for you. You have an untreatable, inoperable, and incurable disease, and you need to prepare for blindness." And that's hard to swallow. And so I'm so grateful to come here, where Dr. Yu he's an expert, having worked around 15 years with hundreds and hundreds of patients on this very specific disease, and seeing progress. So how did I do this trip, Dr. Yu?
And you're doing well. And after, let's say, you had cataract surgery in between these 3 months. And after the cataract surgery, you know, most patients have that. They always wonder whether they should do or not. After cataract surgery, your central vision improved 3 lines, in fact. It's very encouraging to see that.
Yes.
And you do lost some field. And compared to the last time we finished, you lost about 30% of the field. But after this 2 weeks treatment, we gained all the way back.
You know, that's great. You know, for people like us who are RP sufferers, or the loved one perhaps in your family or a friend, if we were able to go down to the drugstore and purchase something that would just slow down RP, because it's a degenerative, regressive disease that leads to blindness, just to slow it down would be a very good thing. To stop it altogether, well, that would be incredible. But to come here to Wellspring and to take the treatment that Dr. Yu is offering and see expansion, of vision expansion, well, that's just a game changer. It has been for me and for the people that I've met here at the clinic over this last year. What an encouragement to see people getting better, from young people to older people. It's just an incredible thing to see that. And so, you know, Dr. Yu is sending me home with a plan. I'll be doing herbal treatments at home back in Tennessee in the United States. I'll be continuing the acupressure exercises that he's prescribed. I'll be doing those faithfully. That's something that I can actively and proactively do and will do, you know. And I'm going to keep in touch with Dr. Yu. I feel like, you know, we partnered together, that Dr. Yu is a caring physician that is really, you know, in the trenches with people like me who are fighting this horrible disease, RP. And I'm just thankful that we're seeing results and seeing headway. You know, I'm just a regular guy. I'm not getting paid to do this. Dr. Yu hasn't, you know, promised me a big discount or anything. I'm just a regular guy. I'm a pastor. My whole life is devoted to helping people draw closer to God. But you know, what I've found out is to get something that I've never done, I had to do something that I've never done before. to get something they've never gotten before, you know. And so I had to step out in faith and come and I feel like I've been rewarded for that. You know, my encouragement to any of you watching this video is just put Wellspring Clinic in your search engine. It'll come right up there at the top, Wellspring Clinic in Vancouver. And look over the website and watch the videos and read what Dr. Yu has posted there, and then order the exercises minimally. If that's the only thing you can do, then do that. It's quite affordable. Just get the exercises and begin those. That's something that you can do instead of just consigning yourself to there's nothing that can be done. I'm going to go down with a fight, and I believe that Dr. Yu has been raised up by God to join in that fight against blindness, against RP specifically. So I would get the exercises. And then, you know, some of you will want to order the herbs. And I have responded quite favorably to the herbs, right, Dr. Yu?
Yep.
And many others as well. I mean, not everyone does acupuncture here. A lot of them do herbs, and it's helpful, and it's helping their vision. I've watched it in front of my eyes. I've watched the tests.
Yeah, since last October, now you have come 4 times in the past 12 months. So your central vision, in fact, improved 6 lines. Today you see 20/25.
20/25.
Yeah, your field left right was 13 degree before. Now you're 120 degree. So that's remarkable improvement.
So last year I came in with 13 degrees.
And today
Field of vision. And
120
today,
degrees.
120 degrees. Well, listen, if you're watching this, my prayer is that will encourage you, and that will encourage you to get on the website, you know, minimally order the exercises, order the herbs, and some of you will even want to just get out of the boat and kind of walk on the water, so to speak, to use a biblical metaphor, and just schedule an appointment to come to Vancouver. What I've found is being here, doing the treatments with Dr. Yu kind of jump starts the healing process. It accelerates it so that when I go home, then I can not only maintain the gains, but all things being equal, I manage my stress and this and that. I you know, one time I came back and I'd improved, right, Dr. Yu?
Yeah, you improved after 3 months because the herbs and the acupuncture at home. Yeah.
Yeah. So, Dr. Yu, I know I'm representative of a lot of people when I'm just saying thank you to you and your staff for providing a healing environment here, a healthy environment here, and I just pray God's highest blessing on you and your family. And,
Thank you.
And you're welcome. And I just, if you're watching this, please be encouraged to take what is the next right step for you to do. Let's go on the website or actually come here, you know, schedule an appointment, and you're free to ask questions and all of that. Dr. Yu's answered all of my questions, and he's very knowledgeable on this. He's in a continuing education process, always learning, always studying on how to use the herbal treatment and the acupuncture, you know, to help us. So, Dr. Yu, thank you so very, very much. Appreciate you.
You're welcome. Let's do the herbal and the exercise for a year and come back to report.
Thank you, Doctor. God bless.
God bless.